Hi friends, welcome to my new video. In this video I am going to explain you how to view our BSNL postpaid bill and how to pay the amount. Nowadays BSNL is not sending postpaid bill on time. Also we are not getting the bill. It's very difficult for us to pay the amount also. In this video I am going to explain you how we can view the bill and how we can pay the amount. Okay, let's go for the video. For this one I am opening the Google. In there I want to type BSNL customer portal. Okay guys, for here we want to go for down. Here one option is there, authorize BSNL portal. There we want to click it. Okay friends, we are getting like this interface. Here first option is a sign in, sign up, reset password. If you are new for this website, we want to go for sign up. Okay, I am going to sign up. Okay, here we want to put our name, email ID, our registered mobile number, then circle whether it's Kerala, Karnataka or Punjab. Then we want to put the password. Then again we want to confirm the password. Then create an account. I have already created my account, that's why I am going for sign in. Okay, I am entering here my username, password, and I am going for sign in. Okay guys, after signing we are getting like this interface. Here we can see my accounts, my bill, the bill amount, due date, everything we can say. We can pay from clicking while here we can pay the amount also. Here we can edit or we can delete the account. I already add my account, that's why that mobile number everything is coming here. If you are new for this one, first we want to add the account. For that one we want to click for manage accounts, then postpaid accounts. These all are my existing account only. If you want to add the new account, we want to click the new option here. Here we want to put the service means landline or GSM like this. Then our phone number with the STD code we want to enter. Then account number will be available in all bill. Then we want to put the nickname. Then we want to go for submit. Like this we can add 2 or 3 account the same here only. One of the important option, next one is transaction. Then we want to click the landline. For this transaction option we can see our last payment and details, everything, transaction time, then phone number or landline number, and amount, status, what it's success or failed, then view receipt, we can print that receipt again. So next thing is view bill. If you are clicking the view bill, we can see our landline postpaid bill. Okay, so here we want to click the landline. We can see our landline number, our account holder name, then amount, due date, everything. We want to just clicking here means one more pop-up option will come. Here we can see our postpaid bill. Okay friends, like this option will come here. Here we can click to pay option is there. We can pay the amount. It will clearly mention our fixed charge, how much is the discount or late fee, total amount. Downloading the bill with PDF, we want to click here, download PDF. Then one more window will open. Exact bill, we are getting the postpaid bill now. Here we will get our account number, invoice date, our telephone number, how much is the amount, amount, and with the tax how much total amount we want to pay. Here also we have option pay now is there. Download that PDF to our documents and we can save. Here also click to pay option is here. I am skipping here also. Like this, if you are clicking 2 or 3 option, we will get that new window will open and we can download our invoice. Now from this home tab only I will tell you how to pay the amount. Here this 2 amount I already paid. Here one already amount is due only. Here I want to click that one, click to pay option. After that pay now. For this payment we have lot of options available. First one is internet banking we have with the Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, IDBI, IMPS, Indian Overseas Bank, State Bank of India. Then we have credit card option is there, debit card option, cash card option is there, then wallet is there, then UPay payment is there. Here I am going for the debit card payment. For this one I am clicking debit card. Okay, it's MasterCard or MasterCard, RuPay card, Visa card. I am clicking here, I am paying by Visa card, that's why I am clicking Visa. Then payment gateway we can click either BillDesk or Tech Process. Here I am clicking BillDesk. After that I want to enter this code. Okay, after that continue for payment. After that I am getting the option debit card with the debit card plus ATM pin. I am putting my card number only here. After that expiry date. then CVV code, account holder name. After that, make payment. From here, the link will go to my bank account and it will ask one OTP. That OTP I will get in my mobile number. After entering OTP, I am going for submit. Okay guys, now our transaction is success only. It's mentioned that 920 is successful, then receipt details, everything is there. We can print or we can save draft or continue. I am going for save as PDF. Okay, I am downloading this PDF to my computer. Later I can take the printout. Now I am clicking for continue. Okay guys, now the bill is showing here, it's already paid. I hope all of you like this video. Please subscribe my channel also. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Thank you guys.